Very good.
Good morning, sir.
हेलो।
Good morning, sir.
हाँ प्रणाम करते हैं दीदी, हम कार्मिला करे थे
Good morning, sir.
कार्रवाई हाँ मोबाइल लेके चेक करो बाबू ना। हाँ तो बड़का मोबाइल
यार दिशा से नहीं होता है, पढ़ने वाला बच्चा को
ना
मुंह पे
पढ़े
हंसिका,
लिखे तो चला के लिए
no. Very good morning to all of you. In my previous class, I have taught you about the solar system. The solar system is the family of sun and its 8 planets. These 8 planets include Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Out of this, we have seen Mercury is the closest planet. Mercury is closest to Sun. Next to Mercury, it is Venus. We have learned that Mercury, in spite of being close to Sun, the temperature of Mercury is not high. We have learned that Venus is the hottest planet of solar system. We have learned that Venus is also the brightest and the hottest planet of solar system. We have also learned that the third planet of solar system is our planet where we are living, that is Earth. Earth is called blue planet. Earth is also called as unique planet. Why Earth is called as blue planet? Because due to presence of water on the Earth is called as blue planet. Earth is unique because it has atmosphere. The other planet of the solar system, which is also similar to the Earth, that is Venus, because here there is existence of atmosphere, hence it is similar to Earth. Next, after Earth, we have one more planet that is called Mars. And we will learn about the Mars. We will learn about Mars. Mars is also called as, Mars is also called as, we'll learn about Mars. Mars is also called as, it is third planet. Its position in solar system is position. This is at the fourth position next to Earth. Okay, Mars is at the fourth position next to Earth. It is also called as Mangal. Okay, it is also called as Mangal. Okay, it is also called as Mangal. Okay, it is also called as Mangal, right? And then it is also called as Mangal. Okay, atmosphere of Mars is thinner than Earth. ठीक है, atmosphere of, we have learned the following point. Number 1, okay, also called as Mangal, and atmosphere is thinner than Earth. Okay, thinner than Earth. Then we have the color. Color of Mars, it is red. Okay, color of Mars, it is red. Okay, Mercury. Now we have the planets. We have the 7 planets. We have the 8 planets. And out of this 8, we have 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, then Earth, then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. We have altogether 8 planets. Now the situation of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars is something similar. These are called terrestrial planets, while these are called Jovian planets. These are called terrestrial planets. Okay, what they are called? They are called terrestrial planets. Okay, what they are called? Terrestrial planets. While these are called Jovian planets. While these are called Jovian planets. Now, why it is called terrestrial planet? Terrace means a stone. Okay. Now, here you can see that these planets, terrestrial planet, the surface of the planets, surface of those planets which are made up of rocks and metal are called terrestrial planets. Okay, terrestrial, right? And Jovian means the surface of those planets which are made up of gases are called Jovian planets. Example already I have encircled. Okay, so we have the 2 types of planets, Mercury, we have Jovian planets and terrestrial planets. Meanwhile, we have learned till Mars. Mars, it is at the 4th planet. It is the member of the Jovian terrestrial planet. Okay, after Mars, I hope you all have taken it down. I hope all of you have taken it down. जो लोग आज स्क्रीन पे एनोटेट कर रहे थे उनका नाम मैं देख चुका हूं। इज्जत वश हम उनका नाम नहीं ले रहे हैं। नाम एन से शुरू होता है, एक का नाम एन से शुरू होता है और एक का नाम ए से शुरू होता है। ठीक है, तो बस इतना ही बोल रहे हैं। Keep your videos switch on. Anshika, you are not writing. Kulbhaskar, unmute yourself. Take it down.
सर के से बोले?
नहीं, के से नहीं बोल रहे हैं, कुलभास्कर नहीं बोल रहे हैं। अगर तुम लिखोगे तो हाँ आ जाएगा। ए से बोले,
नहीं
ठीक है। All of you are advised to write it down. I can see the students. रेशु कुमार मुंह में हाथ लेकर बैठा हुआ है, वो कुछ लिख नहीं रहा है। रेशु कुमार, you are not writing. Alam Sadia, he is also not writing. If you have written, you can inform me. If you have written, you can inform me, you can let me know by the means of text message. I hope it is clear. सभी लोग लिख लिए हैं? सभी लोग लिख लिए?
और एक और सर कामा
बात क्लास के समय ही लगता है हो जाएगा। चलो, I hope it is clear. Now let's learn about other planets. Okay, let's learn about some other planets. Then we have learned about the Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet of solar system. It is also called as Brihaspati. It is also called as Brihaspati. Brihaspati. It is also called as Brihaspati, right? जो क्या कहते हैं? बृहस्पति कहते हैं। फिर उसके बाद पोजीशन इसका क्या है? ऋतिक राज, I will talk to you. Position is 5th position. It is at the 5th position. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Now, before Jupiter, okay, unmute yourself, Ritik Raj.
सर गलती से हो गया था।
अच्छा, वीडियो ऑन करो बेटा, जरा बेटा वीडियो ऑन करो।
सर कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, वीडियो ऑन करो बेटा। तुम्हारा चेहरा आदमी देखेगा ना, कैसे तुम गलती से करते हो। जरा सामने आ जाओ बेटा, जरा सामने आ जाओ बेटा। चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा है तुम्हारा। हा, पलंग क्यों दिखा रहे हो? पलंग मत दिखाओ, चेहरा दिखाओ बेटा जरा।
सर ज्यादा नेटवर्क इधर नहीं आता है।
नहीं नहीं, चेहरा दिखाओ, वरना तुम्हारे पिताजी से या माताजी से हम बात करेंगे और बताएंगे कि आपका बच्चा कुछ ज्यादा ही गलती करता है। आवश्यकता पड़ने पर
नहीं
तुम्हारी
सर।
उपस्थिति प्रिंसिपल साहब के पास भी कराएंगे, क्योंकि अब हम लिंक भेज नहीं रहे हैं। अब बदमाशी करोगे तो पकड़े जाओगे, सारा चीज रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
सर गलती से हो गया था।
स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा फर्स्ट। भगा दिए जाओगे अगर कोई किसी तरह का अगर बदमाशी करोगे तो। मीटिंग लॉक्ड। ठीक है, तो बृहस्पति के बारे में बता दिए, मतलब जुपिटर के बारे में बता दिए। देखो अब यहाँ पर एक चीज और यहाँ पर समझने की है कि बिटवीन, देखो ये क्या, ये गलती से होता है। इज इट पॉसिबल बाय मिस्टेक? नो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल बाय मिस्टेक। दैट बॉय विल नॉट ज्वाइन क्लास फ्रॉम टुमारो। देखो यहाँ पर एक चीज और है कि 4th पोजीशन में कौन सा प्लैनेट है? इन 4th पोजीशन it is Mars. Okay, Mars. And in fifth position there is Jupiter. Okay, so between Mars and Jupiter, between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, some asteroid and planetoids are formed. Between the orbit of, see here, I'm drawing it. पहले तो इस लड़के के ड्राइंग को अब हटा देते हैं, हो गया रिकॉर्ड। See here, this is sun. Okay, देख लेते हैं, ये सन है। ठीक है, दिस इज सन। ओके, दिस इज सन। ओके, एंड सपोज and this is second orbit. Then we have, sorry, then we have, this is the third orbit. Then we have fourth orbit. Then we have fifth orbit. Okay. Now you can see this is here Mercury. Okay. You can see Mercury is here, and this is second Venus, and third one is our Earth, which is a blue planet, and fourth it is Mars. Okay, fourth one it is Mars, and fifth one it is Jupiter. Okay, fifth one it is Jupiter. So between the Mars and Jupiter, between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, you can see this is Mars, and this is Jupiter. This is Mars, this is Jupiter. Okay. Nandini, what are you doing? This is Mars and Jupiter. Okay, now between the orbit of the Mars and Jupiter, okay, large number of tiny planets. You can see here, let's see. Between the orbit, large number of teeny planets keep revolving. Okay, dust, gas. Okay, you can see छोटा छोटा planets. तो मार्स और जुपिटर के बीच में रहता है large number of very small planets or planetoids that mainly a belt between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. So what we can see here, large number of small planets. इसी को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Planetoids. क्या कहते हैं इसको? Planetoids. P-A-N-E-T-O. Planetoids. Right? This is called planetoids. So a collection of large number of small planets or planetoid that lies mainly in belt between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. These are known as asteroids. This belt is therefore referred as a asteroid belt. So what is asteroid belt? What is asteroid belt? Is asteroid A-S-T-E-R-O-I-D. What is asteroid belt? Large number of small planets, उसको हम लोग planetoids भी कहते हैं. Large number of small planets, that is called planetoid. Small planets को planetoids भी कहते हैं. Planetoid that lies mainly between the orbit belt of Mars and Jupiter is called asteroid belt. Right? I hope it is clear. What is asteroid belt? Large number of a small planet, or small planets are also called as planetoids. Okay, so I hope you have understood. I have also taught you. Then next to this, next to it, we have the another planets, that is Saturn. Okay, Saturn is marked by a, Saturn is marked by a, ring. Okay, Saturn is marked by a ring. I hope you know So Saturn is marked by the ring you can see here. You can see this is Saturn. Okay. Saturn is marked by the presence of belt. This is belt. This is belt around this. इसके चारों ओर में देखो ये रिंग है. This is called. ठीक है. This is called. I hope you have seen the Saturn. Okay. The ring is around the Saturn. Sunlit, unmute yourself. Now, what these rings are made up of? What these rings are made up of? Next, Saturn. Saturn. What the position in the Saturn? Its position is sixth position in the solar system. Okay, it is sixth position in the solar system. Okay, it is sixth position in the solar system. And unique feature of this, it has ring all around. It is next big than Jupiter. Okay, it is next big than Jupiter. ठीक है, जुपिटर के बाद ये सबसे बड़ा है. What is the reason of ring around Saturn? What is reason of ring around Saturn, planet Saturn? What is the reason of ring around Saturn? Students, as we know that when we move away from the sun, temperature decrease. As we move away from sun, temperature decreases. Temperature decreases. Okay. So near Saturn, temperature is very less. And near Saturn, there is dust and gases all around, which get frozen, and which get frozen due to very less temperature, which get frozen due to very less temperature and formed a ring around. I hope you have understood it. So what is the reason of ring around The Saturn. Any problem to anybody? If you have any problem, please tell me. Raise your hand. Then we have next planet, that is Uranus. Next planet we have Uranus. It is also called as Arun. Uranus. It is called as Arun. What it is called? It is called as Arun. Okay, it is called as Arun, and it has also got the ring like. It has also got a ring like Saturn. Okay, it has also got ring like Saturn. Okay, and it's it has a gaseous surface, Jovian. So it is a member of Jovian planet. Hence it is a member of Jovian planets. And in fourth, I hope you all have understood it. And next to it, we have a next planet that is called, Neptune. We have a next planet, Neptune. Okay, it is the 8th planet of solar system. Its position is Earth. Okay, now member of Jovian planets. Jovian. Special feature is that इस planet पर आंधी और तूफान हमेशा आते रहते हैं. Okay, it is a windy planet. It is windy planet. Okay, it is a windy planet. I hope you got it. So these were all about the planets. Now your homework will be do page number 114 of your textbook. This will be your homework. I hope you all have understood it. If you have any problem, you can raise your hand. You can ask. Only 2 minutes is left. If you have any problem, let me know. किसी को कोई दिक्कत है?
No, sir. No, sir.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So I will send this on your WhatsApp video भेज देंगे.
Okay, sir.